Hi, Tlulo. We are on the letter R. The letter R only makes one sound, and the sound is R. So we'll treat the words with the R sound. R, E, G, R, D. Regard. R, E, K, T, N, G, L. Rectangle. R, A, N, B, O. Rainbow. R, A, N, B, O, W. Rainbow. So you can code it differently, but the sounds will still build the same word. R, at, rat. R, at, rat. Different coding, same word produced by those sounds. R, O, Z, rose. The letter S is supposed to sound like S for slithery snake, but in the word rose, it makes the Z sound like the letter Z. So when the letter S changes its sound to the Z sound, we show that in our coding by putting these two lines on the letter. Okay? R, O, Z, rose. Whenever you see that in the coding, the letter S has the two double lines on top of it, then you automatically know that the letter S in that word sounds like Z. R, O, Z, rose. R, I, O, T, riot. R, I, V, river. R, E, N, D, render. You will look up the meaning of any word that you don't understand here. I have a suspicion that you might understand all of them except riot and render. You can prove me wrong. Okay. So what do? We've got a little bit of extra time. Let's go over the words one more time. Regard, rectangle, rainbow, rat, rose, riot, river, render. An E and an R together produce the sound. The letter S, when we code it with the double lines above it, it sounds like Z. We can code certain words differently, but still get the same.